Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by and dropped off a couple of things. Let's take a look at what we got today. Oh, one of the good things he dropped off was another supply of Buffalo Bob's Alligator Jerky. One of my favorite treats. Alright, so this Zippo arrived in the normal black box, and the label on this one says Retro Star. Nothing collectible about the box. So there's a good picture of the Retro Star. Really nice looking Zippo. And this one was made in, looks like January of 15. That's one of my first 2015 Zippos. Pretty nice. It's not a chrome finish. Looks like street chrome. Good sound, lights up nice. That is the Retro Star. And yes, that definitely deserves cowbell. Knuckle bump.